Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I achieve this gorgeous looks, and so stay tuned guys. So look number one, let's get right into this.
People and they talk, got no listen, a liar. In a one, we can control me heart, yo. Taking a free tongue, I cry in a jar. Anything you want, girl, I go buy ya. Yeah, I swear I go buy ya. Relax, let nobody in no fool you. I like no conong, Kiramundo Ban one.
Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you know me.
So I'm just going to take the hair on the one section, I'm just going to put it in a bond, and then I'm going to add the Shine and Jam gel onto my hair. Like you can see, I'm not going to be putting too much on this.
You know me lover. Whatever, I want like you know, say me no go ever change by you.
So the hair that I'll be using is the color 144. This hair is from Expressions, and I'm gonna cut it in the middle, and then I will pull it in tiny little strands and just comb the hair through. And once I'm done, I'm going to start with the braiding.
Everything that I feel for you, baby.
So now I am going to start with my hair. So I will be braiding like so, and then I am going to add the extensions in there. I'm just gonna take it and grab it with my hair, and this one side is gonna just stay here. I'm just gonna leave this like this so it stays here hanging, and I have grabbed the one with my fingers, and I'm just gonna continue braid it like I just do, and then take the other one and then attach it to it. So that's what I'm going to do till the end, but just keep watching. The more I go, the more hair I'm going to add. Okay, it's gonna be bigger in the back, so I'm gonna start with small amount of hair, and then later I'm going to add more hair, and the braid will be really bigger once I go. So keep watching guys.
For you, you did for me, baby girl, but this sort of thing they just change you. They make her they cry, baby. You don't look the same, baby. Shake down, make her they feel good, make her they think good.
Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you know me love.
Like you one thing, I behave like cat. The day way I see you, and I got no me heart. The one of me life, number one of me chat. I like you one thing, they behave like cat. People and they talk, got no listen, a liar. In a one, we can control me heart, yo. Taking a free tongue, I cry in a jar. Anything you want, girl, I go buy ya. Yeah, I swear I go buy ya. Relax, let nobody in no fool you. I like no conong, Kiramundo Ban one.
Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover.
So now I'm going to do the same thing on this pattern. Comb the hair, add a little Shine and Jam gel, and braid it.
You know me lover. Whatever, I want like you know, say me no go ever change by you, because I dey look you every day. You no go even understand where I feel, because baby, me and you no one. We no go ever stop this love of anyone, because me mama don't tell me say for make I left you.
So now I'm going to do the same thing, just braid with my hair first, and then I'm going to attach the extension onto my hair, and then just keep braiding it.
Never change, cause in me, you me, oh yeah. I no go leave you for nobody, I no go ever change for nobody. Whenever, whatever, however, you know me lover. Whenever, whatever, me lover. Whenever, whatever,
Back in Richie.
however,
Listen
you
this.
not me lover.
Let go, baby. No make like you not see me. You know say the love where I get are for you, baby girl. We start you do all team for the please me. Now you they change for me. You they make I they cry. Me party then they laugh me, baby. Why? Tell me why. Why you they make I they cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you. You did for me, baby girl, but this other time they just change. You they make I they cry, baby. You not look the same, baby. Shake down, make I they feel good. Good, make all the thing good.
Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you.
The day where I see you, and I got no me heart.
Once I'm done with the braids, I'm going to go ahead and add a little more on them, and I'm going to make sure that I use a hair wrap and then wrap my hair a bit so that it sticks really well.
Girl, I go by ya, yeah. I swear I go by ya. Relax, let nobody in fool you.
Now I'm just going to add a little edge control and make sure that I lay these edges.
Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever.
This is my first look, guys, and I love it.
You not me lover. Whatever. I want let you know, say me no go ever change by you.
Look number 2. For look number 2, I'm gonna part my hair into 5 sections. So for the front pattern will be 3 sections. On the back, I'm gonna have 2.
Whatever, whatever, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. You not me lover. You know, you not me lover. Whatever, I want let you know, say me no go ever change by you. Because I dey look you every day. You no go even understand where I feel. Because baby, me and you no one. We no go ever stop this love if anyone.
So once I'm done sectioning my hair, I am going to now start on this pattern. I'm going to first of all apply a little shine and jam gel and make sure that I put the hair together like so, and use the rubber band and tie it in a knot. And once I'm done, I'm gonna make sure that I pull the hair a little bit like so and twist.
However, you not me lover. Whatever, 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 you not me lover. Whenever, whatever,
Back in Richie.
however,
Listen
you
this.
not me lover.
Let go, baby. No make like you not see me. You know say the love where I get are for you, baby girl. No make like the tell where we start you do all team for the please me. Now you they change for me. You they make I they cry. Me party then they laugh me, baby. Why? Tell me why. Why you they make I they cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you. You did for me, baby girl, but this other time they just change. You they make I they cry, baby. You not look the same, baby. Shake down, make I they feel good. Good, make all the thing good.
Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whatever, 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 you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. You know, you not me lover. Whatever, I want let you know, say me no go ever change by you. Because I dey look you every day. You no go even understand where I feel. Because baby, me and you no one. We no go ever stop this love if anyone. Because me mama don't tell me say for make I left you. Me papa don't tell me say for make I left you. But no, I sit there with you because you not the.
So I'm done twisting my hair.
Because I dey look you every day. You no go even understand.
So for this style, I will be using 1 pack of hair, and so I am going to just take the hair, as you guys can see, put my finger through. I'm just gonna walk my finger through the hair and then attach it to mine and braid.
Baby, I no go left you, so now for ease the pain. Never change, cause then me, oh yeah. I no go left you for nobody, I no go ever change for nobody. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover.
Let go, baby. No make like you not see me. You know say the love where I get are for you, baby.
So as you guys can see, I am attaching the hair on this braid the same way I did, and that's how I'm going to do it with all the braids.
Baby, why? Tell me why. Why you dey make her dey cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you. You dey for me, baby girl, but this other time they just change. You dey make her dey cry, baby. You not look the same, baby. Shake down, make her dey feel good, make her dey think good.
Whenever, whatever, however, you not be lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not be lover. Whatever, whatever, whenever, you not be lover. I no go leave you for nobody, I no go ever change for nobody. Whenever, whatever, however, you not be lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not be lover. Whenever, whenever, you not be lover. Whenever.
So now that I'm done braiding my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and take the strand like so and just wrap it. I'm going to wrap this hair, just going to do it with all the strands, and that's how we're gonna create this bantu knot look.
Baby, why? Tell me why. Why you dey make her dey cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you. You dey for me, baby girl, but this other time they just change. You dey make her dey cry, baby. You not look the same, baby. Shake down, make her dey feel good, make her dey think good. Oh baby, no make like you not see me. You know say the love where I get are for you. The time where we start, you dey do all team for the please me. Now you dey change for me. You dey make her dey cry. Me party then they laugh me, baby. Why? Tell me why. Why you dey make her dey cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you.
The final look, guys. The second look and the final look for today. Thank you all so much for watching.